If you use subitems in Monday.com, you probably run into this problem. You assign an owner on the parent item, create subitems, and suddenly there's no owner. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple native workflow that automatically copies the parent item owner into every newly created subitem. No apps required. You can absolutely do this with the Subitem Automations app, which we love. But if you want to keep everything in-house using Monday.com workflows, this is the cleanest way to do it. Here, you can see I have a parent item and I am assigned as the owner. The workflow itself is very short. I have named it parent item owner to subitem owner. The trigger is simple when a subitem is created. However, you could also trigger this later using a status change if your subitems already exist. But for the most use cases, triggering on subitem creation works perfectly. One thing to note, this workflow does need to be created per board. If you are doing this across many boards, the workflows can add up, so I recommend organize them as a dedicated folder. The only action in this workflow is to replace the assignee on the subitem. Here is the important part. You want to select the parent item owner as the person to assign. What the workflow does behind the scenes is look at the subitem, reference its parent item, grab the owner from that parent item, and then assign that person to the subitem. Make sure the board is set up correctly. The subitem is selected from the previous step, and the assignee column is the subitem owner. That's it. Now, let's see it in action. I'm going to create a new subitem. You will see the workflow run. And just a few moments later, the owner from the parent item is automatically copied down to the subitem. If I change the owner on the parent item and create another subitem, the new owner is what gets copied instead. This is the full setup, a simple workflow that keeps ownership consistent across parent items and subitems without any apps or manual updates. If you use subitems heavily, this can save a surprising amount of cleanup work over time. If workflows like this could save you and your team time, and you want help designing clean, scalable Monday.com systems, click the link below and schedule a free discovery call. And if you want more real-world Monday.com tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We share practical builds, automation tips, and advanced use cases every week. Thanks for watching.